have we ever thought, what do I really like? What do I want to do? What do I want to give to my society or as an individual? So this is one question I would like everyone to ask yourself. What I'm really good at as an individual, because we hardly think about ourselves, but always contemplating on what others are going to think about us. And when it comes to this particular thought process, we're always there trying to impress others. But to all the girls and boys out here, I would like to tell you all, what do you like? Have you ever thought about it? We're always worried how to impress our friend, how to impress our girlfriends or boyfriends, more than trying to impress ourselves, because we should never forget that we are our own competition. We should be competitive within ourselves, because it's one life that we get, it's one moment that we live. So we always think of different ways, but sometimes putting ourselves on an edge, when someone's pushing you, that's when you realize your potential. In the beginning I said we don't believe in ourselves. Come on, if you don't believe in yourself, how is everyone around you going to believe in you, right? So start believing in your potential. If you want to do something, opt for it. If you think you're good at singing, if you're good at dancing, start taking classes. Sharpen the talents that you have and polish the things that you're weak in. Because no one's perfect. It's practice, perseverance, and consistency that makes a person a better human and a better version of who you were yesterday. So this journey of grade 11 and 12, you're nurtured by your teacher. You're taken care of. Every small thing is looked at, right? So as soon as you move out of this college, out of these boundaries, what's gonna happen? You're gonna face the real world. So when a teacher asks you a question in your school, in your class, make sure that you answer. Give a wrong answer. It's always good to make mistakes. Make as many mistakes here inside, because once you move outside of this place, comfort zone, you'll be challenged by the world. So do whatever you want to do, because opportunities just knocks once. So grab that opportunity. Go for it. Like, don't wait for tomorrow, or don't wait for the time when you will be perfect. Because this is the moment you're going to live, and this is going to be a remarkable one for all of you. So take chances, make the most out of the opportunities that you're given. The world has become a much easier place, but yet, if we change our mindset, if we change the way we think, and take everything as it comes, then it's going to be a very easy and a beautiful journey for you all, because it's all the mind that makes it difficult. So don't underestimate the being that you are, because everybody in this world is here with a mission, with a vision.